Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about online internship in digital marketing or sales internship opportunity by Progressio Alas. This is going to be a superb opportunity to build that X factor which will help you to lead in this competitive age on an online platform. Stay till the end of the video to get more information. To lead, one needs to imbibe these qualities such as analytical skills, thinking logically, being more presentable and knowing the need of the hour so that one can provide what is needed or required. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines and other channels to reach customers. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Business leverages digital channels such as search engines, social media, email and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Now, some of you might even ask, what are internships? An internship is a short-term work experience offered by companies and other organizations for people, usually students but not always, to get some entry-level exposure to a particular industry or field. It is as much of a learning experience as it is work. Internships sometimes may even lead to full-time job offers. About Progressio Alas, it is a startup firm new in the market. The founding member is himself an IITian. And within a short span of time, they have involved number of IITian scholars and commerce professionals with them. They are growing day by day and currently they are the most active for arranging webinars on various techno-functional topics and conducting online quizzes, also providing educational consultancy and at last but not the least, personality development courses. Progressio Alas is derived from a Latin language, meaning developing wings. Now about the job role, it is related firstly to branding and marketing, secondly to digital marketing and social media, thirdly to segmentation, targeting and positioning, also about customer profiling, acquisition and advisory, lastly in strategies and techniques of product presentation. Now, stipend will be provided based on performance. And all the eligible and interested candidates do apply as soon as possible. I will be linking an article in the description box below. Go through that article and you will find the apply link right in there. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video. If you do so, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The handles of both will be provided in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.